I created 25 Instagram Reels in 1 hour. And I did this by the help of ChatGPT, CapCut, and obviously Instagram. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how I did it. Head over to the ChatGPT and type, give me like 25 content ideas for Instagram Reels on this topic, myths versus facts. And as you can see, it has provided me with 25 facts versus myths topics, and well, I can choose any. I'm gonna go with the 13th one. Does gum really stay in your stomach for 7 years if you swallow it? And after choosing the title, I'm just gonna go ahead and again ask the ChatGPT to write the script on that. It has given very detailed script and it is amazing, to be honest. But you might have your own ideas as how you want to take it or how you want to make it. And you can just ask for only the bullet points and ChatGPT will deliver that. I'm 80% copying the ChatGPT, so once this script and video idea is ready, let's head over to the CapCut to make our video. So based on the script, I have downloaded or tried to download as accurate as possible pictures, and I'm just gonna select and add them and then make the necessary changes from a frame ratio to the subtitles. And I've also added the text to speech option so that I won't have to speak or do the voiceover. So I ended up making this pretty decent video, although I'm not happy with the choice of transitions that I chose to keep, but I'm not gonna go back, it's fine. And now that the video is ready, let's head over to the Instagram. And here too, you can make the changes if you want. You can add a lot of stuffs from stickers, GIFs to music and all that, but I'm not gonna touch anything. I'm happy with the way it turned out. So I'm just gonna directly click on next, keep the title and just post it. So this is how I did, and I must tell it was very easy compared to making it from the scratch. ChatGPT did help me a lot here, and I also didn't have to think a lot when it comes to which pictures to download and how I want it to go. So it was overall fun, easy, and I like it. So you can also try this if you want to make your reel faster and if you don't have much time. But do know that depending on how you want to edit it, it might take you a long amount of time or even short. It just depends on you. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.